Hi everyone. Today we're going to be making oven-baked chicken fajitas. So what all do we need to make the oven-baked chicken fajita? We need 1 pound of chicken breast sliced into slices. This is 4 pounds, so we'll only be using 1/4 of that. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1½ teaspoons of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon seasoned salt, 15 ounces of diced tomatoes with green chilies. This is a 10-ounce can, so I'll be using 1½ cans. One medium onion sliced, 1/2 red bell pepper cut into strips, 1/2 green pepper cut into strips, flour tortilla shells, and then whatever condiments you'd like guacamole and sour cream. So let's begin. So we're going to take a 13×9 pan and go ahead and spray it with cooking spray. And we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut up the meat and the vegetables. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the chicken strips in the pan. And spread them out. So next you get a small bowl and you want to combine 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1½ teaspoons of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, and 1/4 teaspoon seasoned salt. And then go ahead and mix it all together. And then you want to just go ahead and drizzle that over the chicken pieces. And then stir to coat it. And it looks pretty well coated. And then you want to add the tomatoes, 15 ounces, the onions, the green peppers, and the red peppers. And then go ahead and stir them all together. And we'll go ahead and put this in a 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken reaches 160 degrees. Doesn't that look delicious? So now if you want to heat your tortilla shells up, you can go ahead, get a plate, put a paper towel on it, get as many tortilla shells as you want to use, put them on the plate, cover them up with another paper towel, and stick them in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so I added the fajita fixings, whatever condiments you want. I added guacamole, sour cream, and cheese. And then you want to go ahead and fold it over. And to finish up the meal, we have quinoa and brown rice. And I'll go ahead and have my husband give a taste test.
That's pretty good. I could have that again.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.